Step-by-step guide. How to reset BMW warning lights safely. Warning important. Read this first. This is a step-by-step guide. Follow the steps in order. Do not skip steps. Do not reset warning lights randomly. This guide explains which BMW warning lights you can reset safely, which ones reset automatically, which ones must never be reset, and why BMW behaves differently from most other brands. If you follow these steps correctly, you will avoid panic, unnecessary repairs, and serious mistakes that many BMW owners make. Before touching any button, menu, or reset option, you must understand one thing. BMW warning lights are not all the same. BMW uses warning lights to monitor conditions, verify system consistency, protect expensive components, warn you before damage happens. This means some lights are informational, some are temporary, some are critical. If you treat them all the same way, you will either waste money or cause damage. So the first step is not resetting anything. The first step is classification. Look at the dashboard carefully. Green, Oregon, blue, informational, no action, required, yellow/orange, caution, system limitation, verification, in progress, red, stop, safety, or mechanical risk. Now ask this question. Backhand index pointing right. Does the light stay on constantly, or does it come and go? This single observation already tells you whether a reset makes sense or not. White heavy checkmark tire pressure monitor. This is the most common BMW warning light and also the most misunderstood. Correct step-by-step procedure. Check tire pressure on all 4 tires, inflate them to BMW recommended values, turn ignition on, open iDrive, vehicle status, tire pressure monitor, select reset, drive normally for several minutes. If you reset TPMS before inflating the tires, the system will detect inconsistency and the light will return. This is not a fault. This is BMW logic working correctly. White heavy checkmark service/oil/maintenance reminder. These are not fault lights. They are counters. Step-by-step manual reset. Turn ignition on, press and hold the odometer button, wait for service menu, scroll to the correct service item, hold to confirm reset. Resetting service reminders does not hide damage. It simply tells the car that maintenance has been performed. BMW assumes owners know this. Most owners don't. This is one of the most important BMW steps. After a weak battery, jump starting, battery replacement, cold weather, BMWs often show multiple warning lights at once. Examples: ABS, DSC, steering assist, start-stop, drivetrain warnings. Correct step-by-step reaction. Do not reset anything immediately. Start the car, normally drive for 10 to 20 minutes, allow systems to recalibrate. In many cases, the lights disappear on their own. BMW electronic modules are extremely sensitive to voltage. Low voltage creates more warning lights than real failures. This is something almost nobody explains. BMW does not immediately turn off some lights, even if the issue is gone. This is intentional. BMW wants confirmation. These lights include some emission warnings, temperature-related sensors, intermittent engine readings. Correct procedure. Drive with a warm engine, combined city and steady driving, avoid short trips, only turn the car off, restart. Many owners think the reset didn't work. In reality, BMW is still verifying data. This step is critical. Do not attempt to manually reset. Persistent check engine light, drivetrain malfunction, warning, airbag warning, permanent ABS, fault, high voltage/hybrid warnings. If these lights stay on, return immediately, affect driving behavior, then resetting them without diagnosis is dangerous. BMW uses these warnings to protect engine internals, transmission components, safety systems. Ignoring them does not make the problem disappear. It only delays the damage. Many people still believe this. Disconnect the battery and everything resets. On modern BMWs, this is often a mistake. Disconnecting the battery can create new fault codes, confuse control modules, trigger comfort and safety errors. This trick worked decades ago. It does not work reliably anymore. Sometimes it makes things worse. You do not need a scanner for TPMS resets, service resets, temporary voltage-related warnings. You do need a scanner when the same light keeps returning, the car enters reduced power mode, driving behavior changes. Diagnostics are not for clearing lights. They are for understanding why BMW activated them. The most common mistake is simple. If the car drives fine, the warning doesn't matter. BMW warning systems are predictive. They warn you before damage becomes expensive. That yellow light is often the early warning. not the failure. Ignoring it doesn't make you lucky. It makes repairs bigger. Here are things almost nobody explains clearly. Many BMW warning lights require multiple successful drive cycles to disappear. Low battery voltage causes more BMW warnings than real mechanical faults. Resetting the wrong light can lock systems into protection mode. BMW expects owners to know basic resets, but never explains them. Most mysterious BMW warnings are logic-based, not random failures. In the next episodes, you'll discover hidden BMW settings that reduce warning lights, habits that silently protect BMW electronics, mistakes that shorten BMW lifespan without symptoms, features BMW never explains in the manual. If you understand how BMW thinks, the car becomes reliable. If you fight it blindly, it becomes expensive. Pushpin resetting a BMW warning light doesn't fix the problem. Pushpin understanding which ones matter is what actually saves your car.